At the crack of dawn, we say goodbye. We say goodbye. Say goodbye. From the country house onto a super highway, which is a quick drive to JFK over the Verrazano Bridge, named after Giovanni, who sailed right under here in the Hudson River over 500 years ago. 2 direct flights and we're right in the ancient city. Zizo, where are you going? Zay and Zizo with Daddy.
I'm going to Afghanistan.
You going where?
Afghanistan.
Oh yeah, and this is Zay's first time, right? How many times you been there so far? This is your what? Fourth time and first time for Zay. You can call him X too. They always have a story to tell when you go way up to the mountain.
Cars are like ants down there.
New York to Dubai, Dubai to the ancient city, 86ing a stop in Kabul. We got the I love Afghanistan. You love Kandahar or you love Afghanistan. This is new. The Haji's in town. Haji's in town. That's right, helping all joining in. How do you like that name? You like that name? The Haji's in town. Where you at? Come on, homeboys. Come on. Come out and play. 11-year-old kid driving. Does a better job than most adults. Up high in the sky over Aino Mina. Not Mina, which means love. Mena, which means a place to sit down. We're gonna head over to Kabul. Chand sal shariq? 70 سال. 70 سال. This is the antique market. That's in the spinaya towel. Gemstone. And then we'll check out the gem markets in another video. The gemstones. 130 carats right here. It's all spinning. That's how you got no mannequins faceless. Everyone has to be faceless here. Early in the morning, that's right. Gotta get in your workouts. There's no electricity. Don't worry, this is Afghan style. A pit stop to have a little bit of breakfast. It's still around 8:45 in the morning. Salam brother John. The art of USSR tanks. We'll continue our journey further north. So this guy right here is the auctioneer. Frequent picnic, prayer, and rest stops. They got butter. Look at this, grass-fed, grass-finished. Along the way, we'll support our local farmers and storefronts. Heading over to the great legendary Ahmed Zayer's tomb. Wondering why it's so out of the way from city center. One big cemetery. That's so that Andualo. Lucky or Sarawanya. Ubadir Tarawam. Tazaya Pachawam. Anduali is ma. There's a chizuk in the heart and then Masham. Here I am at Buidulah's tomb. He sang this great song here. He lays here peacefully. He's only 29 years old. In another video, we'll visit the biggest recycled electronics markets in Spin Boldak, where consumers reuse whatever they can get their hands on, reducing carbon footprint. Bread and meat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And of course, lots and lots of rice. The Afghan naan is freshly baked per order, morning, afternoon, and evenings. We were about to take a tuk-tuk from there, but this young man said, "Where are you guys going?" He seemed lost because we couldn't decide whether to take a tuk-tuk. We're going to attempt to visit the last Hindu in Kandahar. This doctor has been living here since the days of King Ashoka the Great. All right, let's see if he's home this time, because last time I came here, it was Eid. We're going to find out whether this was used as a Taliban prison cage during the U.S. invasion or for wild animals. In another video, we'll visit my childhood friend who acquired land recently. He started a fish farm here. Second pond, you got fish in here too?
Almost, yeah.
From Los Angeles to this. He lives in Los Angeles, but this is what he prefers. From Los Angeles to this.
This is it, man.
Oh, that shit la guardia. Almonds, oh here, they have the best almonds here. It's gonna be tricky coming back down. I wish it wasn't this hot. This is scary. Oh, not over the cliff, not over the cliff. Today's his first day that he's gonna stop sugar and flour. No sugar and flour. Bura au bura. He's gonna try it for 11 days. This is an ancient tandoor. Yeah. This fish is from right there, from that river. Want me to bring you a little closer? The man expresses that this neighborhood was called Ghost Bazaar, changed to Mir Bazaar, named after his saintly grandfather Mir, who settled here hundreds of years ago. He says that Saint Mir would astral travel, morning prayers here and evening prayers in Mecca. Azali Baba performed many, many miracles. And the thing is, you just take a little bit of this and you put it around their bodies and they get blessed. I just had the camera rolling while I held my hand here, and it turned off because of a very, very high vibrational frequency. We just picked up some hitchhikers.
Hitchhikers? What do you mean by hitchhikers?
Hitchhikers, people, strangers you pick up in the middle of the road. Thursday we're gonna travel about 5 miles on feet. Magnanimous, yeah, altruistic when you help somebody without receiving anything back. 20 meters long. This is the Giants of Kandahar. He's going to tell us about the wedding. He's actually, it's his nephew's wedding, right?
Yes.
Your nephew's wedding?
Come on, follow me.
They made all the food here at home. We were advised not to donate in such a fashion. All these hundreds, all these migrants. Stops. Tell me, what is the season? What are we going to indulge on today? Pomegranate flowers, plum trees. I think the season is for
اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فاصلا وقاطعا بين الحلال والحرام.
I was at the shrine. He goes like this from afar. He goes, Mujahid al-Shah, I mean, how are you, Talib? I said, I'm doing very well. Do I look like a Talib to you? A Talib? Talib means student of life, student of Islam.